Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEPS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning. Today I am going to take English class for the students of class 5 on the topic short composition 3 and 4. I am repeating, today our topic is short composition 3 and 4. Students, this is lecture number 21 and our today's homework will be 14. I'm repeating, this is lecture number 21 and today's homework will be number 14. Students, please take your notebook and writing elements. I'm going to discuss about short composition 3 and 4. You have to pick them in your notebook. So let's start. Students, our first composition is about your experience of a great day. Look here, write a short composition about your experience of a great day using the following clues. So you have to write about your experience of a great day using the following clues. Here the clues are given: National Memorial, Parents, Monument, Sacrifice, Graveyard. So you can see some words are given for you as clue. So you have to use these words in your writing. So here topic is your experience of a great day. Students, you can write your. So instead of your, you have to write my. You have to give the title as my experience of a great day. Last year on 26th March, I went to visit the National Memorial at Sabrin. I went here with my parents. We went by bus. We started at 7 a.m. and reached here at 10 a.m. We saw the monument here. This memorial is the pride of our nation because it reminds us of the sacrifice of the martyrs of the Liberation War in 1971. We also visited the graveyards of the martyred freedom fighters there. It was a great day for me to have a trip to a very memorable place on the occasion of our independence. I'm repeating, the short composition is given as your experience of a great day. You have to write my experience of a great day. Last year on 26th March, I went to visit the National Memorial at Sabrin. I went there with my parents. We went by bus. We started at 7 a.m. and reached there at 10 a.m. We saw the monument there. This memorial is the pride of our nation because it reminds us of the sacrifice of the martyrs of the Liberation War in 1971. We also visited the graveyards of the martyred freedom fighters there. It was a great day for me to have a trip to a very memorable place on the occasion of our independence. Now, question number 4. Write at least 5 sentences about your last cup campaign by answering the following questions. So students, in number 3, there were some clues that is given for you, and in question number 4 some questions are given to answer the short composition. So sometimes you will get some clue as words, or sometimes you will get some questions for your short compositions. And for question number 4, the questions are: number A, where did you go for your campaign? Number B, how did you reach there? Number C, how many groups were there? Number D, what did you do after reaching the camp? Number E, what did you do in the evening and night? So here 5 questions are given for you. You have to write your last cup campaign based on these questions. So as I said, you can write your instead of your, you have to write my. So the title will be My Last Cup Campaign. Last December, I went to a cup campaign in Select. At first, we traveled to Select by train, then we walked to the camp. There were 15 other groups from different parts of Bangladesh. After reaching the camp, we found out a place set up breakfast. After lunch, we took rest, and in the evening, we took part in a cultural program, and at night, we slept in the tents. I'm repeating my last cup campaign. Last December, I went to a cup campaign in Sylhet. At first, we traveled to Sylhet by train, then we walked to the camp. There were 15 other groups from different parts of Bangladesh. After reaching the camp, we found out a place, set up tents, and took breakfast. After lunch, we took rest, and in the evening, we took part in the cultural program, and at night, we slept in the tents. Students, now I'm providing your homework. Your homework will be your last cup campaign. So your homework will be your last cup campaign, and don't forget to write my instead of your. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.